Hey everyone, welcome back to Today in Your Career Pulse. If you are preparing to join Capgemini or eagerly waiting for your date of joining, this video is for you. Today, I will share first day onboarding experience at Capgemini. I will take you through everything step by step from reaching the office, getting your pass, sitting in the conference room with hundreds of other freshers, completing the document verification, signing your offer letter, submitting photos, enjoying the free lunch, listening to company policies, interacting with banks, and finally collecting your welcome kit. This video will be like a full walkthrough of your first day, so that when you join, you will feel completely confident and prepared. Stay till the end because I will also share what happens in the next 1 2 days, like ID card collection and laptop collection. Let's begin. For almost everyone in Bangalore, the onboarding location is EPIP Divyasree Tech Park, Whitefield. Even if your training later happens at some other locations like DTP, Global City, or another Capgemini campus, your first day onboarding is usually at EPIP. On the day one, it's better to reach early around 8:30 to 9 a.m. As you reach the gate, you will see a long queue of freshers all waiting for the turn. You will need to show your onboarding mail at the security counter. Once verified, they will give you a temporary visitor pass that is valid for 5 days. This pass will help you to access the campus until you receive a permanent ID card. That feeling is amazing, standing at the entrance of a huge tech park, holding your temporary Capgemini pass and realizing you are officially entering the corporate world for the first time. After entering, the coordinators will guide you to a large conference hall. Usually, there are 200 or more candidates onboarding on the same day, so the room will be filled with young freshers like you. Everyone sits together, and the atmosphere is exciting. People looking around, and some nervous, some happy, some already chatting and making friends. After a while, HR coordinators and managers will come in and give a warm welcome. They will talk about Capgemini, the company values, work culture, and the overall journey that freshers will go through in the next months. This part is meant to motivate and introduce you to the company environment. Next comes the most important step, document verification. You will be asked to submit copies of a PAN card, professional certificate, or original degree, 10th and 12th mark sheets. Along with this, the team will hand you some forms, a background verification form, and another form where you have to sign as a proof that you attended the onboarding on the day. One of the most crucial requirement is 3 passport size photographs with a white background. If you don't carry them, don't panic. They will ask you to share a soft copy and they will print it for you. But to save time, I highly recommend carrying them beforehand. This process takes some time because hundreds of students are submitting documents at once. So be patient and keep all your Xerox copies ready. After documents comes the offer letter signing. You will be given 2 printed copies of your offer letter. You need to carefully sign on every page of one copy and submit it back to the Capgemini. The other copy is for you to keep, so store it safely because this is your official joining document. While submitting, they will also take a selfie of you holding a government ID card. This acts as proof that you, the actual candidate, were present for onboarding. It's quick, but make sure you hold your ID properly in front of the camera. By now, it's usually lunchtime. On day one, Capgemini provides free lunch voucher for all the freshers. Inside the campus, there is a food court with multiple stalls. You can try different food options, meet other freshers, and relax it a bit before the afternoon sessions start. This is also the perfect time to network and make friends. Post lunch, the session continues. The HR and IT teams will explain about company policies, things like leave rules, work ethics, and employee benefits. Technologies used in Capgemini, depending on your project, you will work with different tools and stack. IT support instructions, how to raise tickets if your laptop has issue, or how to reach the support team. This part is more informational and it helps you to understand how to function in the company environment. Later in the afternoon, several banks come to interact with freshers, usually 7 to 8 banks like HDFC, ICICI, Axis, and others. They will explain their salary account benefits and you can choose any one bank to open your salary account. Representatives will help you to fill forms and accounts are usually opened on the same day or next. This is compulsory because without a salary account, you can't get your stipend or salary credited. Towards the end of the day, you will be given a welcome kit. It usually contains company branded headset and stationeries like pens and diary and important information booklets. Before you leave, they will also inform you about the next steps within 1 2 days. You will receive mails for ID card collection and laptop collection. Once you get those mails, you need to visit the mentioned campus and collect your assets. And that marks the end of your first day onboarding at Capgemini. So, friends, that was the complete day one onboarding experience at Capgemini. I hope this video helps you to prepare better for your own joining day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, share it with your friends who are joining Capgemini, and don't forget to subscribe to Today in Your Career Pulse for more updates on IT companies, fresher experiences, and career guidance. All the best for your onboarding journey, and welcome to the corporate world.